Hello everybody and welcome. Well, in this episode we say goodbye to Trelleborg, find a rhinoceros on top of some Jenga blocks, view a rather nice fountain donated by Carlsberg, a winged angel, or is it a Roman goddess, part of the Danish navy perhaps? Not sure. A dragon fountain in the centre of town, and the one photo that will tell you exactly where we are. Yes, we are in Copenhagen. It was a straight run up from Trelleborg, and what we'll do is we'll put information on where we parked and how we got there.
DCU Camping, Copenhagen, Absolem.
Of course, there must be a bleeding cyclist.
I'm not a bleeding cyclist.
Arriving at DCU Absolem Camping on the left.
Look in the right. So stop, check in, stop, collaborate and listen. So that's the square out there.
In front of the City Hall.
And where are we?
Not in the pub.
We're not in a pub, no, heaven forbid. We're in Burger King.
For a cheap coffee at a quick loo stop on the way in from the station.
So that's Spanish, French and now Danish Burger King have been taken care of.
Did we lurk into one of them? Maybe. I'm sure we'll get into one in Germany.
More than likely. The Spanish ones serve beer with their burgers.
Yes, that's part of the meal deal.
Which is very appealing, to say the least. But
it's nice coffee, actually.
yes, a rhinoceros on top of a load of Jenga blocks. Whatever next.
The survival of the rhinoceros is poised on a very unbalanced way. That's the metaphor.
Very nice.
Didn't work particularly through the window.
And that over there is Tivoli Gardens. Well, it's got a big thing that we took about 20 minutes to find. And that, Madame thinks, is City Hall.
It is City Hall.
We think that is City Hall in sunny Copenhagen. We think.
There we go. In fact, it's got the line through the O, so it's Striggett.
Another random square room for Copenhagen.
It's rather nice.
Not bad, is it? Was that no good then? What's this one then?
The square.
No, this.
Oh, hang on, I might be able to tell you.
With all the pillars.
It's the Medloff Gore Manland Diggy.
Would you like to try that in Danish, please? If it wasn't for that. Looks Passage.
It's a very big river shop. He said it pretty should have.
As you do. No idea.
Rosenborg.
But the thing is that
It's the what?
Kunstar.
Isn't it? The French embassy, possibly. As there's a couple of tricolours on it. And outside.
You're still filming.
Yes. That's why I've danced around you once.
So it's my backside.
What a jolly nice backside it is too.
Brownie point.
Thank you. The bridge is going up. I've no idea why it's going up, but it's going up.
That's the water cross there.
Yeah. It's gonna crash. Very picturesque.
What was that?
Not bad.
A bit of sun does help.
That's true. Got a big battleship out there. No idea what that place is.
Well, that's the opera.
That was at the opera.
That's the opera.
Fair enough. And then there's lots of boats disappearing up there.
Tour boats.
No. How very picturesque. And that is the Admiral Hotel.
I might have a look on booking.com. see how much that is when we get back to the motorhome.
How very picturesque. No idea. Is it?
We're off at the fortress.
What's this, the fountain? What is this? Rather nice. Quick whiz round. There's the other side of the fountain. And we're heading up the bridge. And there's a hideous great cruise liner. Another shot of the fountain. Back. We've got a shot of Frederick. Can't get my fingers out of the way of the bloody camera. Yuck. It's about the best place you can get for it. Because there's 1,001 people here. That's the only other way you're going to get it, is shoot over the heads of the people. But there you go. And a nice bit of tour boats in the background. Jolly good stuff. Come down. And there's lots of cannons and cannonballs. And more cannons and more cannonballs. And more cannons. And more cannons. But no cannonballs around this side. I have no idea who it is. Or what it's commemorating or anything. There doesn't seem to be anything really on there. Just more cannonballs. And there you go. I'll get a name. No idea. Can't read it from here. Oh well. Sorry?
The Rosenborg Castle sits in this park.
The Rosenborg Park.
This is Citipark. Citipark. On the way to the Rosenborg Castle.
Fair enough.
Rosenborg.
Rosenborg.
What's the sound of G? I think it's Rosenborg.
Rosenborg. Potentially barracks.
Looks like a barracks.
Right next door to the... What was it called again?
Rosenborg Castle.
Rosenborg Castle.
I got them delivered. Which one of them was?